people really feel at ease when they hire us. And they know that they can focus on what they need to do to get better. They know they're in good hands. They know that it's competent representation, that we'll handle the case from beginning to end, and they will be taken care of. And so that's what Meshbesher Spence offers.
You know, Ron Meshbesher was probably the greatest lawyer that the state's ever seen. You know, I mean, historically, everybody knows the name and they know his reputation because of all the great cases he worked on and all his great results. But he was a heck of a stand-up comic. I mean, the guy could really tell a joke, and he had that dry delivery. Sometimes you didn't think he was joking until you were laughing hysterically. But I think his ability to be stand-up like that, really, when it came time to be serious, he could certainly tell the story, as could Russ Spence and some of these other really good trial lawyers. And but one of the things I learned from, you know, Ron and Russ wasn't so much just being able to tell a story, but that, you know, there's a certain humility that comes with being a lawyer and practicing law. You've been given this great privilege to represent people. You can't act like you're somebody. You have to have a certain amount of humility, and then you got to work really hard. And nobody worked harder than those guys. And if there's anything I learned over the decades of working at this law firm is that, you know, you're only a hero for one day. You have to rise to the occasion every day and roll up your sleeves, get your fingernails dirty, and work pretty hard for your clients. And that's the rewards come later. It's the hard work that you have to put in first, and that really leads to a lot of good things down the road.